One quiet night, Tom was guarding the kitchen like a professional security guard. The owner had bought a huge bunch of fresh bananas, and Tom was ordered to protect them at all costs. But Jerry had other plans. Jerry loved bananas more than cheese today. He sneaked out of his little mouse hole, wearing tiny black sunglasses and carrying a rope made from thread. He swung onto the kitchen counter like a secret agent. Tom heard a tiny tap and turned around. Jerry immediately froze like a statue. Tom squinted his eyes. Jerry didn't move. Tom walked away slowly. Jerry whispered, "Perfect." He pulled one banana, but the whole bunch came falling on Tom's head. Boom! Tom got buried under bananas, and Jerry quickly slid away with one banana, waving at Tom. "Thanks, buddy." And Tom shouted in frustration while Jerry enjoyed his banana happily under the table.